Hi everybody, it's Wanda. My curiosity is back. So I'm going to try something. I had some of the GAC 800 and the Floetrol mixed at 2 parts Floetrol, 3 parts GAC 800 left. And I mixed some of my white Louisiana paint like that. And I had some of the black left over that I had used with the golden painting. So I'm going to try a swipe because I'm curious whether or not the golden paint is what causes the cells or if it's this pouring medium that causes the cells when Courtney Holcher does one of her swipes. So I have not watered this down. It's not as thin as the black is, so I may add just a little bit of water. I do want it to flow over this canvas pretty good, but I had not added any water to that. So we'll see if this is thin enough to cover my canvas easily, or if I have to take a stick and spread it around. All right, I think I have it covered good. Now this is my Artist Loft Black, but it's mixed with the pouring medium that is the GAC 800 and Floetrol mixture. And I'm going to spray my towel. And use it. I'm going to move that. Move that. Pull this over. I should have cut that in half. Hope I have this long enough to go across the entire thing. I think I do. Well, I bobbled, didn't I? Oh well. Okay, let's see. It looks like we've got cells coming up. Try to get rid of that line. So I think it's the GAC and the Floetrol that's giving the cells, not the golden paints. I've been curious about that ever since the first time I watched her, but I never thought to try it. Duh. Because I just thought it was probably golden paints that was doing it, but I'm not sure it is. I'm thinking it's the Floetrol and GAC mixed together. Which I didn't get as many as she did, but I think she probably had her base coat thinner. Because she uses all golden and she mixes them all the same way, and they're very, very thin. So, I'm wondering if I should drag that side again because of up here. Curiosity killed the cat, didn't it? I'm bobbled right there, or there's something in there. I don't know. I'm going to let it shift a little bit. I still think it's a pretty painting. Even the way it is. So I'm going to leave it. I'm going to take the camera down and give you all a close-up. I may have to do another one of these here in the next few days. I don't normally do swipes because I don't like silicone, but this isn't using silicone. So I do kind of like swipes as backgrounds for things, I think would be cool. So let me give you a close-up. So I do think that the thinness of the paint probably has an effect, and the amount that you use. And it looks like I dragged off on the edge of the corner, down on that bottom edge right there too far. Dropped my cloth down and should not have swiped it so thin like that, but it's an experiment and I like it. So I'm going to keep it just the way it is. So that's what I ended up with. So if you like cells and you're not getting any, you might want to mix up your pouring medium. I love those little ones. I like the little ones actually. With some 2 parts Floetrol, 3 parts GAC 800, golden GAC 800. And that's what I have. Thanks for watching.